guys, welcome to my channel, and today we will learn how to make a plasma like fireball in Blender Evee. So let's get started. Go to the render tab in properties panel and change render engine to Evee. Save this scene for good measure. Let's start by pressing Shift A, go to mesh and select UV sphere. With sphere selected, press F3 and type quick smoke and then select quick smoke. Now we need a force field. Press Shift A, go to force field and select turbulence. Turbulence will be used to add noise in the flames. Now select smoke domain in the outliner or in the scene and go to physics tab. You can change the resolution divisions. It will increase the quality of smoke, but for now we'll leave it at a default value. Change time scale to 1.5 to make flames faster. Set temp difference to 0 so flames won't go in any direction. Change vorticity to 4. The more the vorticity is, there will be more noise in the flames. Scroll down and check adaptive domain. Now scroll down and go to flames tab. Set speed to 1. Set smoke to 0 as we do not want any smoke. Set vorticity to max, which is 1. Scroll down and check high resolution. Change resolution divisions to 2. Change strength to 1. Low strength will give you more smooth flames. Now select sphere in the outliner or in the scene and go to the physics tab. Go to settings and change flow type to fire. You can also play with the value of flame rate, but for now we will keep it 1. Select force field in the outliner or in the scene and go to physics tab. Set strength to 55 if you want lower flames, otherwise you can set it to 100 for much better flames. Here is an important note: if you set it to low value, flames will be shorter but also slower. Set noise to 10. You can keep frame noise to have less or more noise in flames according to your need. Now we need to add materials to both domain and sphere. First select domain and go to shader editor. Delete everything except material output. Press Shift A, go to input and select attribute. Set name to flame. Press Shift A, go to converter and select color ramp. Add as many colors as you want and do not forget to set alpha of rightmost color to 0. It's very important. Press Shift A, go to shader and select emission. Connect attribute factor to color ramp factor and emission strength. Connect color ramp's color to emission's color and then add emission to volume. Make sure that surface is set to none in the properties panel. Now select sphere and simply add transparent BSTF to it. Now scroll down and go to settings and set blend mode to alpha hashed. Now add a camera in the scene by pressing Shift A and select camera. Now set that camera according to your desire by pressing Ctrl Alt 0. Now for final step, select smoke domain and go to physics tab in properties panel. Go to cache and select bake. Bake will take some time. As you can see, we have very cool plasma fire effect after bake. After bake is finished, simply hit render. As you can see, render is showing nothing. To make it right, go to world in properties panel and change background color to black. Now hit render again and there you go. We have our plasma fire, but it is in low quality, so we need to change a little setting. Go to render tab in properties panel, go to volumetrics and set tile size to 2 pixels And now if you hit render, you will get a high quality plasma effect. After this, you can animate this according to your needs. For final render, I will recommend to set smoke resolution divisions to 64 or 128. Also set sampling in render setting to 128. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please write it below in the comment section. Also, like this video, subscribe our channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon.